Zimbabwe opposition leader Nelson Chamisa has commended the South Africa's Electoral Commission, the Independent Electoral Commission (IEC), for its professionalism during the neighboring country's current electoral cycle. Sana bina mashoko atagwa na Nelson Chamisa chiti aiwa ZEC inofana kukopa from IEC loti bo subscribe like or on the bell icon. Ntandra mashoko kuti while no institution is 100% perfect, I commend the independence, extent of integrity and level of professionalism exhibited by the Independent Electoral Commission during the election cycle thus far. The standard set has been fantastic, especially the transparency, accountability and approachability of the IEC of South Africa. The political and election environment in South Africa has been a template for integrity and fairness to be emulated by all others elsewhere, especially Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC. Ndo mashoko atogwa na Nelson Chamisa chiti our ZEC inofana kukopa those principles kana those values anokosheswa ne IEC Commission Electoral Commission yepa South Africa. Since Zimbabwe inofana kukopawo nekuda kokuti zvino reduce electoral fraud, ma elections hazomborigiwi. Chimbotudza mafungiro enyu nokudii pamusoro pemashoko awa. Ine comment section medu musangano subscribe like chino on the bell icon.